Is your Samsung phone cluttered with a lot of files and they have no storage anymore? Well, let's check which files you have on your system and you know exactly which app that probably added that file to your phone. This is called Media File Guardian. You can see this option right here, and there's also My Files. If you didn't know that yet, My Files allows you to see your own files and also analyze them by knowing how much and where it costs you with storage. So let's talk about it and also how to clean your phone. Well, it is part of Good Guardians, at least the Media File Guardian. And right here, we can actually scan media files right here. If we click on it, it's going to scan the whole phone, and then we might know which files are taking how much space. So let's click here on done. Right here you can see which files are missing a date, but that's not really important. Any media file, I'm going to show you how to clean up your phone. Well, My Files is already installed, but to get Media File Guardian, you have to install Good Guardian. To install this, go to the Galaxy Store on your own Samsung phone. Go to the search bar right here. Afterwards, you want to search for Good Guardians right here. So let's open this application right here. Make sure you install it. Just scroll down, install it, and then open it right here. Good Guardian also has a lot more useful features. For example, Galaxy App Booster. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can find out how to make your phone 5 to 15% faster for free. And this is only Samsung, by the way. Right here we have Media File Guardian. If you want to check this out, it doesn't really have much, but at least we still have My Files. When you open My Files on your own phone, you have multiple things. What I recommend you do is look at downloads. How many things have you downloaded and how much does it cost in space? I recommend you check this out and you actually remove all of these. But even smarter, what you want to do is scroll down, then go to Analyze Storage, and right here, if you scroll down, you can easily see large files. So if you remove these large files, which are normally videos and movies or anything you have downloaded that's very big, and if you remove these, you get a lot more storage. So right here, I have these two files. If I remove them, I will gain at least 750 MBs back. Right here, you can also see what you've put in the trash. If I click on this, well, it is not working because I don't know of any events I've really cleaned it. This is a bug with syncing. I, for example, have multiple phones and that's why it was not syncing. But you can delete things in your trash right there. For example, if you remove something, you will find it in trash just like this. This file right here, if you want to keep it or not, that's your decision. You can select it below here. I'm going to restore it because I recorded some piano videos. I think it's quite funny. You can also see the total, by the way. So how much does my videos cost, my audio files and images? Well, actually videos and images are going to take the most space of your phone. But for example, installation files, remove them because you probably don't need them. So I'm going to click on installation files, and what you see is actually some APKs installed on this phone. So I'm just going to select them by holding it and then deleting it right here. Just like that, move the trash, and the trash is emptied every single 30 days. So make sure you check that one out before it's gone. Right here below, you can see your trash. So right here, we actually have exclamation mark with apps. So let's click on it, and afterwards it will give you this pop-up. Make sure you go to settings so we can actually give My Files permissions to see this. If you click on it, then you will see this menu right here. Let's click on this search icon and search for My Files. After doing this, just select it right here, enable it. Go back to the application. Right here you can see that my apps cost me 36 gigabytes. So I'm just gonna click on it, and afterwards you will see this. And what's quite nice is if I click on this filter button, you will see these options. Don't select system apps. System apps are actually apps your phone needs, so don't delete them. That's very bad. Right here we actually want to filter by. So all files, and enabled and disabled actually means if you have disabled your app or not. Right here we have sort by. Let's sort by size, and then let's click on OK right here. So you see my phone right here. it cost me 4 gigabytes to have Beeper and 1.4 to have TikTok. I hate edge screens. But right here, I have actually clicked on Beeper by just clicking on it. And right here, I have 4 gigabytes I can probably save. Because sometimes it is in your cache, which means that your phone is not using that. And if you scroll down with the application, so right here, if you scroll down, you will find storage right here. And then right here, you can actually see my cache is costing me 323 MBs. And I probably want to delete this. So make sure you click on clear cache and not data. So right here, I'm doing it, but while looking at a different camera, so taking risks here, but I've just saved around 300 cache, I think, in MBs. But yeah, now we have actually given permissions to apps. We can also see this option right here, which is unused apps. So you know which apps you should probably be deleting. And for me, that is a lot, like 124 more, which is crazy. But I want to thank you so much for watching. This is not going any deeper. This is just files, but I hope you have cleaned your phone a little bit right now. It's very simple. Just keep deleting things in your downloads folder that you're probably not using. And especially applications, games, they're going to take up a lot of storage. If people send files to you on WhatsApp, for example, that's also going to take storage up. Make sure you subscribe so you can actually check out our video about App Booster, which is going to make your phone around 15% faster. And even better, there are multiple options. For example, also Memory Guardian, which I'm going to talk about next time. So make sure you turn on the alert, the bell, so you can actually find out when it comes out. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.